Hi, I'm Laurence Sugarman. I'm here with my homunculus because I'm excited about the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis annual meeting and workshops in March in Reno, warm, sunny Reno. I'm excited because I'm putting together a workshop about all of the things I've been learning about reinventing hypnosis, thinking about hypnosis in terms of new skills and new principles that allow us to have naturalistic, interesting, weird, and creative conversations with those who come to us for care, conversations that help them renew and heal. And I'm excited to share that with you. So please join me. Bring your creativity, bring your curiosity, bring your beginner's minds, and I'll see you there.